Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Here I have my Singer sewing machine. I've been sewing for about 2 weeks now and this has been a great little sewing machine for me. My partner has a Singer heavy duty upstairs and that works great, but this one's my own sewing machine. But the problem is that it goes a little bit too fast sometimes because my foot control isn't the best, and there is a way to make it so it doesn't sew as fast, and that's by opening the pedal. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to open the pedal, turn a dial, and that will actually make the sewing machine go a little bit slower. So what you need is a butter knife, and then you also need a tiny flathead screwdriver. I'll show you the size we need right now. We need one about that size, which is a 2.5 one. So it's a tiny little flathead screwdriver we need. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do this, make sure it is unplugged from the power outlet. So make sure it's unplugged, guys, because you don't want to get an electric shock. So what you want to do is just go down here and then just slowly unclip it. Just go around the edge like that and then just unclip it around the edges like that. There we go. And then I think there's one more somewhere probably. There's one more right at the bottom down here. Okay, so there we go, we've opened it up, as you can now see. There was this little spring that goes there, that spring goes on that sometimes falls out. It does have a weird like jelly substance on. But what we're looking at here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom. And then you see this little dial here, you just want to slowly turn it anti-clockwise, I believe. And that is how you make it slower. So what we're going to do now is just pop it all back together, turn the machine on and see does it go slower. Okay, I've now put some interface in here, some scrap interface, and I have not the best one to sew with, but I'm going to put my foot down on the foot now, and that is much better. Then if I put my foot all the way down, it still goes fast, but you only need a little bit of pressure now on the foot to go slow. And that is just perfect. For someone who's new as well, like myself, and it sews perfect. Let me just pull this out. Just look at that. I'm not the best sewer, so I can't sew in a straight line, but yeah, so you remember, open it up, turn the dial anti-clockwise. That means turn it to the left. You can do it in segments if you want. You can just turn it a bit, pop the foot back together, so use that, the perfect speed. Or I just normally go as far as I can to the left, and that works for me because you can still go fast. If you put your foot all the way down, you can still go fast. It's just like you just need a little bit of pressure now for it to start going slow. While before, when it comes from the factory, you put your foot down a little bit, they go too fast. So we're just changing the sensitivity a bit of the foot. So thank you all for watching, hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.